When using a water-fed pole method, there are lots of different types of brushes that you can choose from to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you the different brushes I use for window cleaning. Hello there, my name's Rob, I'm a window cleaner. I make videos about window cleaning, the kit and equipment that I use, and also the services I provide like clearing out gutters or cleaning the fascia soffits and gutters. To help support and grow my channel, why not subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep notified of any new content. If you like what you see, then why not give us a like. If you've got any feedback or questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. When I first started out, I got all my kit and equipment from Xline. This included all the poles and the brushes. The brushes I find last a long time, they're tough and durable. I have tried other makes, but often find they're a bit cheaper and last nowhere near as long. Here we've got one of the first brushes I started using. It's a Sill brush. It's a very good beginner's brush. Basically it's the same as a rectangle brush, but you'll see on the bottom where I'm pointing out there's an added section on angled at 45 degrees. This is to make it easier to clean the windowsill while you're cleaning the glass or the bottom of the framework. What we have here is the rectangle brush, and you can see it's a lot smaller, so it's going to be a lot lighter than the Sill brush as it hasn't got the 45-degree angled extra bristles added to it. You can see here the difference between the Sill brush and the rectangle brush. Brushes are made of different materials. You get flocked, monofilament and DuPont. The brush I'm using here is a flocked brush. Flocked brushes are really good for delicate areas like solar panels, wooden frames, and definitely on leaded windows as they don't bounce off the glass so much. What you will find with a flocked brush though, because the bristles are softer, that you have to do a lot more scrubbing. Here we have a brush using DuPont bristles. It's got very good scrubbing power, so it will cut through things like snail trails and bird poo a lot easier than a flocked brush, but I wouldn't necessarily use it on a window like this because of the wooden frames. Here I have another brush. It's called a Sidewinder by Xline. It's boat shaped, but it's similar to like a Sill brush, and you'll see the ends when I move it around are slightly bent upwards like a banana. The brush is monofilament, so it's got good scrubbing power, but it's not as good scrubbing power compared to a DuPont. It's also got on the ends stiff bristles, so you can get into the edges of like sash windows. Here's a Sidewinder in action. It's 30 centimeters long, so it's slightly bigger than the 26 centimeter rectangle brushes. It weighs a bit more, so it does feel a bit more bulkier. But you can see here on the sash window, it's very good at getting the nooks and crannies, especially around the edges of the sash window. I use the Gardener's Quick Lock system on my brushes, as I find this a very quick and efficient way of changing my brushes on the pole. If you like the video, why not give us a thumbs up? If you've got any questions, then please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay notified of any new videos. Look forward to seeing the next video. Bye for now.